Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty, and now select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes. In the end, tap Add to Wallet, and that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.